Good morning everyone. My name is Samiksha Vitthal Gavande and today's my topic is thoughts of internet. So internet is the integral part of our life. Internet is simply said it is developed in 1982 by Wayne Search. Wayne Search is also it is a scientist which developed the term internet in 1982. It is also known as father of internet. So the internet, we all are familiar to word internet. Internet is the integral part of our life. Internet is simply derived into two words, that is interconnection and network. Internet, it is the integral part of our life to gather the information, to communication, as well as other technologies like education, and it directly affect on social health, social activities also. So the we all are live in the age of internet. Internet is the important factor to gather the information, as well as it directly affects on education, etc. So we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of internet. Internet is directly affect on education. Education is the important factor. In COVID pandemic, the internet play an important role. That is, it provide the online education to all the students via Google Meet, Zoom, or other software. Then second advantages is internet is more important for the student to gather the information or other technologies like it is useful in the it is useful the software are available in the internet like the software and websites are available in the internet like Google Chrome browser and other social media platforms like Instagram, Google Meet, Byju's learning app, etc. So classroom is the important factor we learning to the education via internet. So internet play the important role for the both student, workers, as well as college students, teachers, etc. So then second advantages is via internet we all are give to online shopping. Internet are also useful in online payment, billing, medical records, or other hospital care facility also. um, internet is also important for the software media like in to gather the information, IT technology, etc. So the various disadvantages, the excessive use of internet are also harmful for the social media users, like the cyber attackers, spams are very increasing in nowadays. So the cyber attacker directly hack to the software and directly affect to the privacy of users. So the internet is very beneficial as well as harmful also. It directly affect to the human health, that is mental disability or hearing mental disability or excessive use of internet causing mental disability and other problems. So it directly then the internet is also useful for the other social activity like awareness, medical campaign, then online learning, as well as other local activities also. Internet is a important platform to communicate each other in long distance people via sharing, transferring the photos, text, images, etc. So the internet is an important factor to connect the people. Then we disadvantages of internet, like we are protect from cyber attacker and spam. Cyber security are also developed by government of India, and to safer the software, we are creating a strong password by protect our software. So it's all about the aspects of and thoughts of internet. Internet is the important part of our life, as well as it's have beneficial as well as harmful effect also. So it's all the internet. Thank you.